Hello aspirants, the Civil Services exam conducted by the Union Public Service Commission or the UPSC is one of the most prestigious and popular exams in the whole of India. Congratulations for the journey which begins with the preliminary exam, popularly called the prelims, which is the stepping stone to the next stages of the exam. Nearly 10 lakhs aspirants apply for this exam, which make the competition cutthroat, adding to the challenges in the form of vast syllabus, changing patterns, multiple sources, rigorous revision, time management, and lack of guidance. To help you in your mission, here comes Vision IAS again with its famed All India Test Series, which is a one-stop solution for all your challenges. The 35 mock tests in the test series package are thoroughly curated to meet all your exam needs. The test series includes 8 fundamental tests to strengthen your basic concepts, 17 applied tests to enhance your knowledge application, and 10 full-length tests to ensure you are completely exam ready. Make the most of the 35 mock tests by referring to the answer keys and going through the insightful explanations which aim at broadening your knowledge level and sharpening your analytical skills. In our bid to further assist you in your preparation, we have for you our individualized personal mentoring. With our experienced mentors, get precise preparation inputs to refine your preparation strategy and maximize your potential. Your mentor will walk hand in hand throughout the journey of your preparation. In our commitment to value your time, we have always ensured flexibility in test modules. Aspirants have the liberty to choose the date of the test and can avail it both online and offline. For improving upon one's performance, enhancing accuracy level, developing analytical skills, and boosting revision, aspirants can attend the live online-offline classroom test discussions and in-depth post-test analysis for every test. Intensify your revision through our quick revision module, which focuses on key concepts and essential facts, thus guaranteeing swift and effective revision. To complete your preparation, track your progress with our trademarked innovative assessment system that also provides you with an all-India ranking, thus offering you a realistic view of your standing among aspirants nationwide. To make your test-taking experience seamless and help you get access to the QRM and supplementary materials, we offer you an easy-to-navigate student portal. Get ready to take the first step towards making your UPSC dream come true with the Vision IAS All India General Studies Prelims Test Series Mentoring Program 2025. Register now at our website. For further inquiries, reach out to us at these numbers or inquiry@visioниas.in. Your success is our pride.